So some questions we will see. What determines the rate at which the energy is delivered by a current? So electric power P determines the rate at which the energy is delivered by a current. Okay, this is the answer. Now one problem is asking, an electric motor takes 5 amps from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and energy consumed in 2 hours. So we will see what he has given. Given is equal to, takes 5 amps, that means I is given, I is equal to 5 amps, and V is given, V is equal to 220 volt, and determines the, and time is given 2 hour. So T is equal to 2 hour, and what we have to calculate? Power, P is question mark and energy is question mark. E is equal to question mark. Just you see here, T is given in hours, so that we have to change it to seconds. So I will show 2 hour. So hour we want to cancel. I have written denominator. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Again minutes I want to cancel. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So minute cancel, hour cancel. Now what is left? 2 into 60 into 60 seconds. Okay. So if we simplify this, 6 6 the 36 into 2. It is 72.00 seconds. So small t is equal to 72.00 seconds. So what we have to calculate now? Now P we have to calculate. P is equal to VI. So V is given 220 volt into I is given 5 amps. So if you simplify this, you will get 1100 watt. So P is equal to 1100 watt. Now energy we have to calculate. So energy is equal to P into T. So P we have calculated, that is 1100 watt into 7200 second. If you simplify this, you will get 7.92 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. So E also we got. So after completing all this, you have to tell the power of the motor is 1100 watt, and the energy of the motor, the energy consumed in 2 hours is 7.92 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. That you have to mention. See next question. A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R dash, then the ratio of R by R dash is how much? He is asking. See, just here you see this sentence, you see a piece of wire of resistance R is having one resistance R. So this is cut into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. That means R by 5 ohm each. Correct? Na? Each. Then it is connected in parallel. These 5 resistances connected in parallel. So equivalent resistance of this is 1 by 4. Whatever you are getting answer, na, that is 1 by R dash. 1 by R dash is equal to, that is 1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by R2 plus 1 divided by R3 plus 1 divided by R4 plus 1 divided by R5. So which is equal to 1 divided by R1 means 1 divided by R by 5 plus 1 divided by R by 5, because it is cut into 5 equal parts, plus 1 divided by R divided by 5 plus 1 divided by R divided by 5 plus 1 divided by R divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you simplify this, you will get 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R. You take 5 by R common factor, 5 by R. So what is left? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So if you simplify 5 divided by R, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 5. So which is equal to 5 5 is 25 R. So 1 divided by R dash, how much we got? 25 by R. Now what you have to do? This you cross multiply it. That means R by R dash is equal to 25. So you what is asking? R by R dash is asking. So R by R dash you got, it is 25. This is the answer. Okay. So next question is, which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in a circuit? So we know that electrical power formula P is equal to V square by R. R is equal to I square R. R is equal to VI. Just you see here, V square R is there. He is asking not represent the electrical power. Okay. And I square R. This is I square R. So I square also is there. VI is also there. So what is left? Only IR square. This is IR square. This is not in this formula. So this is the answer.